guys, welcome back to another video. This is Vassal Builder. Today we're assembling this big chunky, the Lego 60337, and it is apparently powered up. The dimensions are big. It's a 27 by 47 incher for the rails. These are all the specifications. You could pause it and read it if you want. Guys, let's open this box ever so carefully. And man, oh man, that's a lot of parts. This is all the bags. Let's build together. Guys, look how cool they packaged it. They used poles and the connectors on the other side. Here's how I stretch it. Guys, so these are the bag holes and as well as the sticker sheet. Guys, so I opened up the power functions bag. I'm going to say powered up, and apparently it comes with this controller and the battery box. So we are now going to use this in the tray. Guys, so this is one of the 3 bogies, so more is going to come later now, so now he deserves a test. so this is the end of the video. So we got 6 minifigs, 3 new pieces, one motor, and 2 wagons. The bullet train light actually works. If you want to, I'm now going to give you a challenge. After the video finishes, try to spot the parts where I installed or built anything I say. So there's lights, and down here is the motor. There's this powered up remote. Guys, so now I'm going to show you how it moves. Tell me in the comments what I should build next. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!